Hey good people, welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we'll take a look at the 8 top kid-friendly decorating ideas that you can do right now. For this and more, stay tuned.
I like this calendar because it complements the house and it makes it look way more homey, not just some fancy old house. But it also reminds us to keep on schedule and see what's happening and coming up next.
I really like this mural of an astronaut because I used to imagine myself being on the moon and exploring other planets. You can buy this for your kids as well on Amazon for $11.89.
So I'm in Tyler's room and I'd like to point out this wonderful 4-piece jazz canvas. It is a great addition to any kid's room, especially if they are a music enthusiast. I got this from elephantstock.com for $36.99. It is a steal and your kids will love it.
Hi guys, it's Tyler, and as you can see, that's my name above me in graffiti. It is a really cool design piece to add just that touch of flair to any kid's room.
At this point, you may be saying, hey, I have some ideas that I'd like to share. Awesome! Simply send your favorite kid-friendly DIYs, decoration ideas, and pics to MommyRoomREDO@gmail.com, and we may feature you on a future episode. Take these ladies as an example. Jamel Wiggins breathed new life into a dead plant with some silver paint and Christmas balls. This DIY looks great for the holidays. And then we have Dietrich Turpin. She redid her daughter's bedroom after her daughter grew up. Now she has a wonderful guest room for folks to stay in when they visit. And then we have Peggy Bean. Peggy decided to make her own fall decorations instead of buying them. This wonderful wreath is a great DIY for kids as well as the entire family. Do you have some other suggestions for us? Comment down below or visit us on Facebook at our Mommy Room Redo Facebook page.
These are a great addition to your kids' rooms because these are beautiful lights and you can put pictures of them of your favorite memories. And these are just really colorful and bright, so you don't really have to turn on your fan light or something. You can just have these and have it any color you want.
I love this because it just gives us a place to put all of the pictures. It's easier to access than a scrapbook. So you can easily look at all of us over the years. There's whatever we want. Feels great.
Hi guys, it's Tyler, and I'm here to show you this 3-tier floor lamp. Now this lamp comes with 2 charging ports. One, its own personal outlet, and the second one comes with 2 USB charging ports. Perfect for charging up to 3 devices simultaneously. So your computers, your iPads, your phones, everything can be charging right next to your bed. Also, it has just fantastic storage space for books, notebooks, pencils, pens, just great. And it elevates any of your children's rooms to this nice new level status. And it only costs you $79.99 on Amazon.
This is called a poof. P-O-U-F. Kids absolutely love this furniture item. It's referred to as flexible seating because you can lean on it like this. You can actually sit on it like this. Or you can use it as an ottoman. If you had another chair, you can put your feet on it. It's super comfortable. I've seen this particular poof at various stores, but I found the best deal at Homestitch. That's an online retailer, and they charged $48.28. And that was way more reasonable than any other seller. So if you're looking for something cool to have in your home for kids, this poof is perfect. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode. Take care.